Hello, NEET PG talkers. I hope you're all preparing for the exam very well. Welcome to Dr. Murli Bharadwaj on the Incus app. Today I'm going to discuss layers of epidermis, one of the favorite questions of the examiner. So, if you look at the layers of the epidermis, always how to remember is a challenge. That's the reason Californians like girls in string bikinis is one of the very famous USMLE mnemonic. Californians like girls in string bikinis. See, Californians. So stratum corneum like lucidum, girls, granulosum, string, spinosum, bikinis is basalis. Now with regard to the basalis, they are composed of columnar keratinocytes. And these columnar keratinocytes in basal, they are bound to the basal membrane with the hemidesmosomes. And it is the proliferation of these columnar keratinocytes which helps in the wound healing. These are important things about the stratum basal. Now in the epidermis, there are also melanocytes, Langerhans cells and Merkel cells. 1-2 points about each of them. Melanocytes are derived from neural crest. You should remember this. Langerhans cells basically are the bone marrow derived dendritic cells which are residing in the skin. And once they are activated, they migrate to the secondary lymph organs, and there they act as antigen presenting cells to the T cells. That is the function of Langerhans cells. Merkel cells, they are present in basal. They are basically mechanoreceptors and they signal the tactile sensation. You should also know 2 other types of mechanoreceptors. Meissner's corpuscles are the mechanoreceptors in the dermis, and the Pacinian corpuscles are typically the mechanoreceptors in deep structures, just like the Merkel cells are the mechanoreceptors present in the stratum basal. So now you are the champion in the topic of epidermis. Thank you.